So in order to figure out what values need to go into the table, the best thing to do is to figure out your constant of proportionality. So you think about what we talked about in 7th grade, kind of talked about this briefly at the very beginning of this unit. The constant of proportionality is the same thing as your slope. It's that vertical over horizontal sides of your triangle. It's the same as unit rate, and it's also the same thing as the scale factor in your dilations. So we need to calculate that, and to do that, we are going to do the y value divided by the x value to figure out what your constant of proportionality is, or k. And so for this, we have one row completely filled in. So if you do 28 divided by 20, you get a constant of proportionality of 1.4. That's going to help us fill in the rest of the table, because for the next row, we're going to take 55 and we're going to multiply it by 1.4. And that's going to give us a value of 77. So that's what goes into this box. We're going to go in the opposite direction with the next row because we need to go in reverse. So we're going to take 140 and divide it by 1.4. And when we do that, we're going to get 100 in this box here. And then finally, without needing a calculator, to go in this direction, we're going to multiply by our constant of proportionality, COP or K, and we're going to get 1.4 for our last box.